The 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross continues its evolution as one of the most practical, stylish, and well-rounded compact SUVs in the market. Built on the same foundation as the legendary Toyota Corolla sedan, the Corolla Cross blends the familiar reliability of its sedan sibling with the elevated stance, versatility, and utility of a crossover. The result is a vehicle that confidently bridges the gap between city life and weekend adventures while offering excellent fuel efficiency, technology, safety, and space, all wrapped up in a compact and affordable package. For 2026, Toyota has refined the Corolla Cross even further, introducing a more dynamic design, enhanced hybrid powertrains, upgraded tech features, and improved comfort to meet the needs of modern drivers. At first glance, the 2026 Corolla Cross makes a strong impression with its bold exterior updates. The front fascia has been revised with a wider grille, sleeker LED headlights, and a more muscular bumper design that gives it a sportier and more upscale appearance. Sculpted lines along the sides and a floating roof effect at the rear pillars add a touch of sophistication, while the back features sharper taillights and a new rear bumper that enhances its road presence. Depending on the trim, the Corolla Cross now offers newly designed 18 or 19-inch alloy wheels, giving it a more planted stance and aggressive look. Toyota also expanded the color palette, introducing bolder choices like electric storm blue and copper fire metallic alongside classic shades like magnetic gray and celestial silver. Under the hood, the 2026 Corolla Cross offers both gasoline and hybrid options, catering to a wide range of drivers. The standard 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine produces around 169 horsepower and is mated to a continuously variable transmission (CVT) that prioritizes smooth and efficient driving. However, the highlight of the lineup remains the hybrid model, which combines a 2.0-liter engine with Toyota's proven fifth-generation hybrid system, delivering a combined output of nearly 200 horsepower and a remarkable fuel economy of over 42 miles per gallon. All-wheel drive is available for both powertrains, offering added confidence in slippery or off-road conditions. The hybrid powertrain in particular feels responsive and refined, with strong low-end torque and seamless electric assistance making city driving a breeze and highway cruising quiet and efficient. Inside the cabin, the 2026 Corolla Cross feels more premium than ever before. Toyota has significantly upgraded the interior materials, adding soft-touch surfaces, refined stitching, and ambient lighting in higher trims. The dashboard design is clean and intuitive, with a new 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and an available 10.5-inch touchscreen infotainment display that integrates Toyota's latest multimedia system. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, along with a faster voice assistant, over-the-air updates, and connected services like remote start and vehicle tracking. USB-C ports are now available in both rows, along with a wireless charging pad and optional JBL premium audio system that delivers crisp sound for audiophiles. Passenger comfort is another area where the 2026 Corolla Cross shines. With its tall roofline and clever packaging, the cabin feels surprisingly roomy for a compact SUV. The front seats are well bolstered and supportive for long drives, while the rear seats provide ample headroom and legroom for adult passengers. The rear bench now includes a center armrest with cup holders, and the reclining seatbacks make longer rides more comfortable. The cargo area offers over 25 cubic feet of space behind the second row, and up to 65 cubic feet with the seats folded down, more than enough for weekend trips, grocery runs, or hauling sports equipment. A hands-free power liftgate is available on upper trims, adding to the convenience. Safety has always been a cornerstone of Toyota's reputation, and the 2026 Corolla Cross continues that legacy with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 as standard across the range. This advanced suite includes pre-collision warning with pedestrian and cyclist detection, full-speed adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert with steering assist, lane tracing assist, road sign recognition, and automatic high beams. Blind spot monitoring and rear cross traffic alert are available on higher trims, along with front and rear parking sensors, a 360-degree surround view camera system, and rear automatic braking. These systems work together to provide a reassuring and stress-free driving experience, whether you're navigating tight urban spaces or cruising down the highway. Driving the Corolla Cross is where its true versatility comes through. It's nimble and composed in the city, thanks to its compact dimensions and light steering, yet it feels stable and comfortable on the highway with minimal road noise and excellent ride quality. The suspension absorbs bumps well, and the hybrid system operates so quietly that it adds to the premium feel. For those in colder climates or who live in areas with unpaved roads, the available all-wheel drive system adds peace of mind without sacrificing efficiency. Toyota has clearly engineered this crossover to handle everyday life without any drama, and that's exactly what makes it so appealing. Trim levels for the 2026 Corolla Cross include the entry-level LE, the Sporty SE, the more luxurious XLE, and the Tech-Packed XSE Hybrid. Each trim builds upon the last, offering more comfort, style, and performance. Even the base models come well equipped, with keyless entry, LED lighting, and an 8-inch touchscreen, while higher trims add leatherette upholstery, heated front seats, dual-zone climate control, and a panoramic sunroof. Toyota's generous warranty and reputation for long-term durability only add more value to the package, ensuring that buyers feel confident in their investment. What truly sets the 2026 Corolla Cross apart is its ability to be many things to many people. For young professionals, it's a stylish and affordable daily driver with enough space for friends and gear. For small families, it's a safe and efficient option that doesn't sacrifice utility. For retirees or empty nesters, it offers the elevated ride height and comfort of an SUV in a manageable size. And for anyone interested in going green, the hybrid model provides all the benefits of electrification without range anxiety or the need for charging infrastructure. As the SUV market becomes more competitive, the 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross stands out by doing everything well. It doesn't rely on gimmicks or overly aggressive styling. It's a well-rounded, thoughtfully engineered vehicle that focuses on what really matters to drivers: reliability, efficiency, safety, comfort, and value. It feels instantly familiar yet refreshingly modern, and it's clear that Toyota has listened to customer feedback in every detail of its design. For those seeking a compact SUV that's practical without being boring, efficient without being slow, and affordable without feeling cheap, the 2026 Corolla Cross is a top contender. It builds on Toyota's legendary foundation and adapts it beautifully to today's demands. Whether you're commuting, road tripping, or simply running errands, this vehicle delivers on every promise and then some. The 2026 Corolla Cross isn't just another compact crossover, it's the smart choice for the real world.